Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Little Hickville, USA, Belfair. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sunny day today. It's not too cold either. It's really, really nice out there, surprisingly. So October 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 12. Yeah, I'm on a roll. I'm still charging my phone while I'm doing these videos. Interesting. Yes, my phone was dead. So I did prep work. So let's get on with it. Alternative video number 12. Let's take a look at, I forgot to grab this. So what the kit is. The kit is called Nest of Nature October 2024. So you got to make 10 cards, 2 of each design. They are trifold cards. On the back, as always, there's a QR code to show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. There's a set of 3 new dies that go with October, November, and December's. This QR code will lead you to how to purchase them, a visual of everything in the kit, and then the coordinating colors. And as always, videos 1 through 5, I show you everything in the kit. After that, we just kind of move along. So here is a look at the stamp sets. I love that they are giving us these little pieces of paper with it pre-printed. So we have the evergreen branch, the speckles, the little cardinal, Merry and Christmas, the salmon eggs or berries, happy holidays, joyful thoughts to you this season. Yes! So I am bringing in a couple of retired things. So my 2 really old oval punches, the little one and the one that coordinated with it, and the Cottage Wreaths stamp set for the Wee Little Merry Christmas. Yes, that Wee Little Merry Christmas is what I was after this whole time, to go with this little punch because it goes in there so nicely. And then, of course, this to back it up. So let me just move these. Oh, I guess we can leave those there. And that there. And then let me look at my book. So we are on video number, I did 11. We are on 12. Though I wrote it down as 13 in my book. Okay, so we are doing a note cards and envelopes. You're going to see all my little paper clips because, you know, I don't want to lose my idea. So we have one of the very vanilla note cards and envelopes. I already did layer number 1. Now layer number 1, I just need to bring the book in is all there is to it. Let's just do it this way. There we go. It is 5 by 7, scored at 3.5, the note cards and envelope. Layer number 1, this piece is 1/3 of a card base from the kit in the shaded spruce, and I cut it down to 3.25 by 4 3/4. I already did prep work and I glued it onto the front of that note card, right? And these are mailable, by the way. Layer number 2 is DSP from Sentimental Christmas. Thank you, Lori. This is 3 by 4 1/4. And layer number 3 is the tag from the Merry Tags and More, one of those 3 tags, right? And this was die cut from one of the rectangle pieces that came out of the punch out piece from the card base. Okay. Oh, and then this is video number 12 sticky from Sentimental Christmas. I just fussy cut out another stocking and the little bow. I glued it to the top of it. And then I have that oval punch that's going to go here. This is the back of where you can see this is where my stocking was cut. We are going to flip this over and we're going to stamp Merry Christmas right in here and hopefully get it punched out. And yeah, and then stamp the inside. That's how quick and easy this one's going to be, guys. All right. So we need a stamp and pierce mat. We need some Real Red. I mean, I could even leave some of that there. We could do it like right here. That's going to be really pretty. That's all she wrote. Now, before I go putting this together, let's glue this on. Did anybody like that old-fashioned ribbon candy? I used to love it. And then there was this candy, hard candy that my granny used to have, and it was circular, and it had these little pictures on the inside, and oh my goodness, that was my favorite Christmas candy. Forget the chocolates, that was my favorite candy every single Christmas. That was it. Just give me that. And I don't know why that is, but oh my goodness, that was my favorite Christmas candy. Those little hard candies that, you know, they're almost, if you stuck them all together, they'd be like a long little skinny log. I'm just looking for a little bit of paper scrap to bump my little stocking up a little bit. That will work. And probably an extra piece to punch my little punch a couple of times. So I want a couple of extra little of those. I don't think I want it more than 2. I have enough room to do 2, but I don't think I want it more than that. And we're going to put that onto the Real Red. And this piece, let's see. Might help if we have it. Because all it is DSP. Why is it I just can't get it right? So we're going to have to go like this, and that should be good. Yes, sirree. Use up more of that scrap paper. And then this piece, that will work. Here. That's gonna do it. Move all those pieces aside. That now is going to go on there. And it also gave it some strength because this was just DSP is all. This is going on to our layer number 2. Frames it beautifully. And this little piece is going to go right at the top like that. Isn't that sweet? I mean, it's so simple, guys. This was like quick and simple. And there should be a red Wink of Stella, right? There really should be a red Wink of Stella. Oh, so adorable. So sweet, simple. Now let's do the inside, and we're going to put the cap on the scissors and the cap on the glue. And if I'm lucky, I may actually get to video number 13. Oh my goodness. Okay, stamp and pierce mat. On the back here, let's do our little branch again. But we want to stamp off. Oh no, we can do the full branch on the back. That's what we've been doing. Full branch. And then on the front down here, we can do it stamped off. And then this time we are going to use the same Merry Christmas on the envelope. Because it's cute, it's sweet. Okay, that's our envelope. Now let's go ahead and get the inside stamped. So we want to do, I'm considering just doing Merry Christmas. No, that is not fun, is it? We're going to go with Joyful Thoughts to You this season. We're not going to do Merry Christmas because we don't have enough room for it all. And then we are going to stamp off this little branch. And stamp it right in the center, like so. So that is it, guys. And I just inked my finger up in Real Red. So video number 12, check, done. Sweet, simple, little note card. Could be part of a gift. It can go in the mail. It's going to be everything. And I'm going to leave it sweet and simple. So I hope you guys like this one as well. It does have Wink of Stella on it. Oh, I'm having such a great time. So thanks for watching, everybody. And once again, if you like what I do and you're not subscribed, I am going to ask that you consider subscribing. I know some people do not like to subscribe, and that is okay. But I would appreciate it. But you're feel free not to. That's okay. However, thank you all for all your wonderful support this past year. You guys have been fabulous. It has been my sincerest pleasure sharing what I love with you all so very much. So thank you for making this one of the best years of my life. Thank you so very much. And please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.